This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Alicia Ford. This newly renovated 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom single-family home is conveniently located near the budding downtown Norfolk, shopping and near military bases in both Norfolk and Virginia Beach. This floor plan just flows. Sizable first floor primary suite includes a large walk-in closet and beautifully renovated bathroom. 2 additional bedrooms on the first floor. Unique large room on the second floor equipped with full-size bathroom that can be used for an additional bedroom, game room, or leave it up to your imagination. Spacious backyard for plenty of room for entertainment. For more information, review the details below.